Today's the day that we're going to try something brand new from the house of Argos. And what was that one? You guessed it. Jupiter's Lightning on Saturday. Full wear of Jupiter's Lightning. They crushed it. They crushed it, bro. Balmy citrus in the opening. Juniper berry. Touch of green. Musky. It's just a phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal wear. Phenomenal wear. I can't wait to see what this does when it's really warm outside, when it's really hot outside. Now, you can wear this all year round, no matter what. So I'm indoors wearing this. And just the kind of effervescent feel to the fragrance, the sparkly nature and the opening with the citruses, the musk in here is just outstanding. The juniper berry, and I love juniper berry. I love that dry presentation that comes off gin-like in fragrances, a la, I got it right in my from Macy's Francis Kirchhoff's Gentle Fluidity Silver. I knew if I said the house, it would come to me. Gentle Fluidity Silver comes to mind, just like how the juniper shows up there. Outstanding. This stuff is awesome. Fresh, clean, daily driver, signature scent. But I think it's going to be more suited to really show what it can do when it gets warm. So I'm not, the performance and everything on here is what you would expect from a fresh fragrance. I got about a decent 6 to 7 hours before I was looking for it, but it was still there. All right, I don't think it was nose fatigue. I just know it's a fresher profile, just like Neptune's Trident. And it's a difference when wearing Neptune's Trident inside and wearing it outside. That's why you got to experience your fragrances. And this is going to be the same experience, I know. So wearing this outside versus wearing it inside, I'm going to get a lot more there, and I'm looking forward to that. So wore it to the office. I had to run to the office for a few hours on Saturday, and this is excellent. Must try, not must have. I said must try, especially if you love fresher profiles. Unique spin, real niche perfumery here. You know what you get with Argos. If you don't, you should tap in. From the house of Argos, to wrap up the week on Saturday, we went with the brand new Jupiter's Lightning. Jupiter's Lightning. Fire stuff. Everything. The bottle, the presentation, everything. All right.